Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be working on a 2000 on a Toyota Highlander. The customer complained that when you put the lights on, you notice that the maintenance required light is on. You see the tire pressure light is on, and he mentioned about the VSC light will be on, so he wants to find out what the problem is and how we could have it solved. So currently the tire pressure light is on. The maintenance required light, he has already done the servicing. That I will reset. So let us see. I'm going to scan it using an autel IM 508. So this is 2005 Toyota Highlander. So we have 3 error codes, 2 in the engine and 1 on the body. So let's check the 2 codes in the 2 error codes in the engine. That's rather strange, unable to communicate with the engine. Okay, let's check with the body control model. Unable to communicate with those units. The ignition is on. Let me turn the engine off. Ignition on. Let me try to communicate again. Okay, we read trouble codes. Okay, knock sensor 2 circuit high. Then let's go to the body control model. Read the code. Power window switch circuit on driver's door. Okay, basically let me erase this code. I don't think that's okay. Power window switch circuit on driver's door. Do you find it difficult to wind your window up and down?
No, this one, no. It's only these 2.
The 2 at the back, you find it difficult to wind up and down?
I can't control it with the central one, but individually I can control them.
Okay. go to the control modules. This was there are no error codes on the ABS, but let me take some live data and find out if all the sensors, the speed sensors, are working fine. So we are going to test drive this and see if any of the speed sensor has fault before we know that we have a tire pressure issue. So we are going to test drive to see that all the speed sensors are working fine. Okay, anyone. Gently.
I shouldn't speed.
No. As you can see, all the speed sensors are reading values, so we don't have any issue with the ABS system. So we are going to reset the maintenance light, and we are going to gauge the tire because one of the tire pressure is low, and the tire pressure light. So to do that, I will just hold the tire ignition off, put it back on, and wait for some few minutes. But I need both hands to do that. So, no worry, I'm not picking you now. Maintenance required light is off now, and we have checked the pressure on the tires. So test drive, and so that the light will go off since the tire pressures are okay now. So we'll test drive to see. So finally, all the lights are off. All the lights are off. So to actually reset the tire pressure light, there's a switch under which you go to. Yeah. Yeah, that's the switch. You use that switch to reset the tire pressure light after you have make sure that all the pressures are okay. We have done that and we'll reset the tire pressure light. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.